Okay, end of the day report, Wednesday, 6/23. We have, as mentioned before, passed final. Or not past final, past final. I'm tired. We passed underground and we passed footings, foundation. Tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock, a cement truck will be here to fill all this up. Crescent's been helping out with picking up, and Pear's helping out a little bit.
No, he's not. He's picking up nothing. He's just pulling around with my hair.
Okay, I stand corrected. So we're moving right along. We had actually it's cement scheduled for next Monday, and tomorrow will be the 24th. So we're technically 4 days ahead within a 2-week period. So moving right along, and I hope the pace continues.